Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 8, Unit 3. Sir Isaac Newton, the Ingenious Scientist, written by Nathaniel Hawthorne. Prose. So first let us see the warm-up exercise. In pairs, identify the great thinkers of the world and write the names from the box. So the first one is Aristotle. Second one, Vivekananda. Third, APJ Abdul Kalam. Fourth, Buddha. Next we see Plato. Next, Einstein. We see Sir C.V. Raman. Next one is Socrates. Fine children, moving on to fill in the blanks. Isaac Newton was born at dash, the small village of Woolsthorpe in England. I repeat, the small village of Woolsthorpe in England. அதாவது ஐசக் நியூட்டன் எங்கே பிறந்தாங்க? அதாவது உல்ஸ்த்ரோப்பில் ஒரு சின்ன குட்டி கிராமத்தில். Number 2, grandmother was advised to apprentice him to a dash. apprentice எங்கே எடுக்கிறதுக்காக அவங்களுக்கு அட்வைஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்க. clock maker, கடிகாரம் செய்கிற இடத்துல. 3, Isaac made a clock by the dropping of dash. So Isaac எப்படி ஒரு clock பண்ணாங்க? By dropping of water clock. 4, the sundial made by Isaac is still in existence at dash. So இப்போ கூட இருக்குது sundial ஐசக் நியூட்டன் பண்ணினது. எங்கே இருக்குது? Woolsthorpe, on the corner of his house where Isaac dwelt. 5, Isaac constructed a model of the dash. ஸோ ஒரு மாடல் பண்ணாங்க. எதுக்கு மாடல்? windmill. Moving on to section B. Choose the correct synonyms for the italicized words. 1. Isaac was chiefly remarkable for his ingenuity. We have 4 options. You are going to choose the right one. Common, notable, neglected, unknown. So the word is remarkable. Remarkable ka synonyms is notable. Remarkable, notable. 2, he will make a capital workman. So the given word is capital. Capital ka synonyms. We have 4 words: wealth, excellent, profitable, head. So here answer is head. Capital, head. 3, nobody could tell what the sunshine was composed of. Composed ka we are going to find the meaning. Made, known, full, felt. So composed of, made of. Okay, composed of, made of. 4th, but he cared little for earthly fame and honors. So the given word is fame. Fame oda synonyms: disrespect, attraction, proud. Popularity. What is the word? Fame meaning is popularity. Next, moving on to read and understand. Choose the correct antonym for the italicized word. First one, his grandmother was very kind to him. So the word is kind. Kind opposite. So the given words are affectionate, loving, disrespectful, cruel. So kind means நல்ல பாசமா அன்பா. அதோட opposite cruel. Kind opposite cruel. 2, the boy seemed to have a taste for mathematics. So the given word is taste. So let us see the options: delicious, sweet, distaste, against. So taste opposite distaste. 3, Isaac possessed a wonderful faculty of acquiring knowledge. So the given word is possessed. The option goes like this: owned, controlled, lacks, have. Possessed இருக்குது, அப்போ இல்லைனாக்கா lacks. Okay, possessed opposite lacks. Fourth one, he was observed to be usually busy with his tools. Usually opposite. So option goes like this: common, rarely, unwantedly, usually. So usually அடிக்கடி எப்போதுமே. Opposite is rarely. Now shall we see the question answers, children? Answer the following questions in a sentence or two. Question number 1. Who was taking care of Newton after his father died? நியூட்டனோட அப்பா இறந்தப்புறமா யார் நியூட்டனை நல்லா கேர் பண்ணாங்க? நியூட்டன்ஸ் good old grandmother was taking care of him after his father died. நியூட்டனோட good old grandmother பாட்டி. 2. What did Isaac manufacture at his young age? ஐசக் நியூட்டன் சின்ன பையனாக இருக்கும்போது என்ன மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணுறாங்க? ஐசக் மேனுஃபேக்சர்ட் மெனி curious articles at his young age. 3. How did the young boy find the strength of the wind? ஸோ the சின்ன பையன் விண்டோட ஸ்ட்ரென்த் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறாங்க? ஸோ ஐசக் jumped against the wind. By the length of his jump, he could calculate the force of a gentle breeze, a brisk gale, or a tempest. ஸோ விண்ட் அடிக்கும்போது அப்படியே குதிக்கிறது, அதை எவ்வளோ குதிக்கிறாங்களோ அதை வச்சு he could calculate. 4th, why were his friends attracted by the windmill? ஸோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கும்? விண்மில்லை வச்சு ஒரு அட்ராக்ஷன் பிடிச்சிருந்தது. Isaac's friends had never seen such a pretty and wonderful windmill in the whole world. இந்த மாதிரி விண்மில் ஐசக் ஃப்ரெண்ட் பார்த்ததே இல்லை, புதுமையாக இருந்தது. Hence they were attracted by the windmill. 5th question, how was he honored by the king? So this particular boy, how was he honored? அவங்களை எப்படி கௌரவப்படுத்துகிறாங்க king? Isaac received the honor of knighthood from the king. So knighthoodங்கிறது ஒரு honor. He was made a member of parliament too. Thus he was honored by the king. So king இவங்களுக்கு நல்ல கௌரவம் படுத்திருக்காங்க. So moving on to paragraph questions. Answer the following in about 100 words. Okay, C section. Why did some of Newton's friends advise his grandmother to apprentice him to a clockmaker? So நியூட்டன்ஸோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் அவங்க பாட்டிக்கிட்ட போய் இவனுக்கு ஒரு அப்ரெண்டிஸ் கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? During his early years, Isaac was chiefly remarkable for his ingenuity in all mechanical occupations. இப்போ குழந்தைங்கள்லேருந்தே Isaac was having some sort of interest in the mechanical occupations. He had a set of little tools and saws of various sizes. குட்டி குட்டி டூல்ஸ் இருந்தது, லைக் கட்டிங் பிளையர், லைக் சாஸ் எல்லாம் இருந்தது. ஸ்பேனர், எவ்ரிதிங். ஸ்பேனர், saw means வால். manufactured by himself. அவனே எல்லா டூல்ஸும் பண்ணிட்டான். The neighbors looked with admiration at the things which Isaac manufactured. So some of his friends advised his grandmother to apprentice him to a clockmaker. ஸோ இவன் இப்படியெல்லாம் பண்ணுறானே, ரொம்ப ஆர்வமாக இருக்கிறான், ஸோ பெட்டர் அவன் ஒரு ப்ராக்டிஸ் எடுக்கட்டும் அப்படின்னு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறாங்க. Moving on to question 2. How did Newton learn about the way a windmill operated? ஸோ நியூட்டன் windmill operation எப்படி கற்றுக்கிட்டாங்க? How did he learn? Near to his residence of his grandmother, there was a windmill which operated on a new plan. ஸோ அவங்க வீட்டு பக்கமாக, பாட்டி வீட்டு பக்கமாக there was a windmill, ஒரு windmill இருக்குது. ஸோ அதை அப்படியே நல்லா கூர்ந்து கவனிக்கிறான். ஐசக் was in the habit of going over there frequently. ஸோ அடிக்கடி அந்த windmill காற்றாலைக்கு போய்கிட்டே இருக்கிறார். He would spend whole hours in examining its various parts. அது அப்படியே சுத்துறதில்ல. He is admiring and just watching nicely while the windmill was at rest. He pried into its internal machinery when its broad sails were in motion by the wind. He watched the process by which the millstones were made to revolve and crush the grain that was put into the hopper. Thus he gained thorough knowledge about the way a windmill operated and had constructed a model of the windmill. ஸோ அடிக்கடி அங்கே போய் அது நிற்கும்போது அது ஓடும்போது நல்லா பார்த்து ஒரு thorough knowledge கிடச்சப்புறம் he started to make his own. Question 3. Mention some of Newton's inventions. ஸோ நியூட்டன் என்னெல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காருன்னு இப்போ படிக்கலாமா? Newton manufactured curious dancing clocks. Dancing clockனா கடிகாரம். He also made water clocks. வாட்டர் கிளாக் தண்ணியால் செய்கிற கடிகாரம். ஒரு சொட்டு விழும்போதும் அது ஒரு செகண்டை குறிக்குது அந்த மாதிரி. Besides the water clock, Isaac made a sundial. சூரிய வெளிச்சம் வச்சு மணி பார்க்குறது. ஓகே, sundial. Then he constructed a model of the windmill. அதுக்கப்புறமா windmill. He was the first who found out the nature of light. So, another one is he was the first one to find the nature of the light. He explained to his fellow men the mechanism of the universe. He discovered the laws of gravitation. இதையும் தாண்டி என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காங்க? Laws of gravitation. ஸோ பெரிய ஞானி இல்லையா? ஸோ அவங்கள பற்றி நம்ம இந்த சின்ன வயசுலேயே படிக்கிறது இட்ஸ் அ blessings. So dear children, now we are going to see prefix and suffix. So what is a prefix? A prefix is an affix which is placed before the root word, adding it to the beginning of one word. ஒரு வேர்டுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு வேர்டு இருக்கிறது prefix. It changes into another word. For example, when the prefix un is added to the word happy, it creates the new word. சரியா? ஹாப்பிக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு அன் போட்டாக்கா அது அன்ஹாப்பியாக மாறுது. சேம் மேனர். ஸோ ப்ரிஃபிக்ஸ் வேர்ட்ஸ் ரீ, பை, அன் அப்படி இருக்கு இல்லையா? ஸோ ரீ ரைட், இப்போ ரீ ரைட். பை சைக்கிள், பைசைக்கிள். Unexpected, unexpected. Fine, like that we are going to see some more examples. Rewrite, rewrite. Unkind, unkind. அதாவது meaning is again, இன்னொரு வாட்டி. Redo, na இன்னொரு வாட்டி, again, rewrite. Un means not in meaning, okay? So unkind. Pre means before, pre-reading. Dis means not, disrespect. Im means again not, impossible. Non means again not, nonsense. Miss means wrong, misbehave. Fine. Now section A. Underline the prefix in each word in the boxes. Unlock. So lock is the root word. So what is before lock? Un. So un is the prefix. Rewrite. So write is the root word. Re is the prefix. Dislike. Like is root word. Dis prefix. Unsafe. Un. Remix. Re. Relocate. Re. Distrust. So dis is the prefix. Untrue. Un is the prefix. Unhook. Un is the prefix. Unlucky. Un is the prefix. Disown. Dis is the prefix. Disclose. Dis is the prefix. I hope you all understood. Moving on to suffix. இப்போ ப்ரிஃபிக்ஸ்னாக்கா ஒரு வேர்டோட முன்னாடி, சஃபிக்ஸ்னாக்கா அந்த வேர்டோட பின்னாடி, affix. A suffix is an affix which is placed after the root word. These suffixes change the meaning or grammatical function of a root word. ஸோ அதே மாதிரி ஒரு கிராமட்டிக்கல் ஃபங்க்ஷனே மாறுது. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஹாப்பி, இப்போ சஃபிக்ஸ் நெஸ் போட்டாக்கா ஹாப்பினஸ். கலர் ஃபுல் சேர்த்தாக்கா கலர்ஃபுல். ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஷிப் சேர்த்தாக்கா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப். ஃபைன். ஃபேட் ஃபேட்டர். பியூட்டி ப்ளஸ் ஃபுல் பியூட்டிஃபுல். Use plus less, useless. Change plus able, changeable. Drive in, driving. Lie in, lying. Okay, pick a suitable prefix and suffix from the given box and complete the following words. Given words are able, full, ly, sub, ion, un, tri, re, im, mis, miss. Okay. Dash call, recall. Comfort dash, comfortable. Dash category, subcategory. Dash understand, misunderstand. Dash proper, improper. Success dash, successful. Equal dash, equally. Dash color, tricolor. Construct dash, construction. New dash, newness. Okay, moving on to syllabification. Syllabification தெரியும், அது sound வச்சு syllabify பண்ணுறது. Okay, syllabification is the act, process or method of forming or dividing words into syllables. It is splitting of words according to syllables or unit of sound or vowel sound. Okay, ஒரு சவுண்டுக்கு ஒரு break, அதுதான் syllables. It has 6 types. The syllablesல 6 types இருக்குது. ஸோ ஒரே சவுண்டு தான் இருக்குதுனாக்கா அது monosyllable. 1 sound is there means monosyllabic. 2 are there means disyllabic or bisyllabic you can tell. 3 means trisyllabic. 4 sounds are there means tetrasyllabic. 5 sounds are there means pentasyllabic. 6 sounds are there means polysyllabic or multisyllabic. The process of dividing words into smaller parts or syllables is called syllabification. Monosyllabic words, words having only one syllable. இப்போ நம்ம படிக்கிற வேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் monosyllables. ஓகே, ஒரு சவுண்ட் தான் இருக்கும். ஆக்ட், அவ்வளோதான். ஆக்ட், அது பிரிக்க முடியாது. cat, book, head, see, all, tongue, plot, steal, wish, one, school, break, rhythm, make, life, ball, bat. So all these words are having only single unit of sound. So we call as monosyllabic words. Okay. So moving on to disyllabic or bisyllabic words. Words having only 2 syllables. Again, again. Rubber, rubber. Beside, beside. Instead, instead. Delay, delay. Woman, woman. Purpose, purpose. Program, program. Vanquish, vanquish. Outbreak, outbreak. அதான் 2 syllables வருது. Moral, moral. Direct, direct. Coward, coward. Ending, ending. Careful, careful. Suspect, suspect. Leader, leader. Rejoin, rejoin. Trisyllabic words. It means 3 syllables will be there. Okay, words having only 3 syllables. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. Popular, popular, popular. Intention, intention. Permission, permission, permission. Effective, effective, effective. Lupercal, lupercal, lupercal. 3 syllables. Mutiny, mutiny, mutiny. Legacy, legacy, legacy. Beloved, beloved, beloved. Department, department. 3 syllables. Fortunate, fortunate, fortunate. Benefit, benefit, benefit. Assembly, assembly. 3 syllables. Consider, consider, consider. Element, element, element. Tradition, tradition, tradition. Implicit, implicit. 3 syllables. Moving on to tetrasyllabic words. Words having only 4 syllables. 4 syllables இருக்குது. First one. Usually. U-S-U-A-L-I. Usually. Military. Mi-li-ta-ri. Military. Intelligent. In-te-li-gent. Intelligent. Economy. E-co-no-mi. Economy. 4 syllables. Inherited. In-he-ri-ted. 4 syllables. Security. Se-cu-ri-ti. Security. Locality. Lo-ca-li-ti. Locality. Equality. E-qua-li-ti. Equality. Publicity. Pu-li-si-ti. Publicity. Morality. Mo-ra-li-ti. Morality. Immediate. I-me-di-et. Immediate. Kilometer. Ki-lo-me-ter. Kilometer. Occupation. 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 Generation. Gen-a-ration. Generation. Technology. 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 Multimedia. 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 University. 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 Particular. 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 So these are all having 4 syllables. So that's why we say tetrasyllabic words. Moving on to pentasyllabic words. Penta means 5. Examination. 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 Communication. 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 Imagination. 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 Qualification. 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 Representation. 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 Specification. 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 Participation. 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 Interpretation. 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 Evaluation. 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 Determination. 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 Accommodation. 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 Representative. 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 Modification. 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 Personality. 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 Justification. 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 Initiative. 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 Fundamentally. 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 Negotiation. 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 Moving on to polysyllabic words. Words having 6 or more syllables. Authoritarian. 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 Inferiority. 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 Personification. 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 Constitutionally. 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 Disqualification. 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 Syllabification. 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 Encyclopedia. 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 Autobiography. 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 Humanitarian. 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 Audio visual. Audio visual. Visual. Audio visual. Incomprehensible. 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 Heterogeneous. 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 Identification. 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 Physiotherapist. 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 undeliverable, undeliverable, undeliverable. Substitutionary, substitutionary. Mispronunciation, mispronunciation. All these words are having more than 6 syllables. We call it as polysyllabic words. Okay, moving on to the exercise. Education, education, 4 syllables. School, 1 syllable. College, college, 2 syllables. English, English, 2 syllables. Fundamentally, fundamentally, 5 syllables. Friend, 1 syllable. Teacher, teacher, 2 syllables. Simultaneously, simultaneously, 6 syllables. University, university, 5 syllables. Examination, examination, 5 syllables. Next one, frame new words using suitable prefixes or suffixes. Please, displease, pleasant or pleasing. Wonder, wonderful, wondering. Health, healthy, unhealth. Imagine, imagination or imaginary. Extreme, extremely. Form, reform, forming. Leash, unleash or leashing. Loved, lovable, loving. Cover, recover, coverage. Differ, different or difference.